In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a legend to graph in Microsoft Excel. A legend is the key that explains what each color or pattern in your chart represents. If you're comparing multiple series like different months, regions, or categories, the legend makes your chart instantly understandable. Let's walk through two quick ways to add and position a legend, whether you're using Excel on Windows, Mac, or the web. The buttons may look slightly different, but the steps are the same. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the sheet that contains the chart you want to update. If you have multiple sheets, switch to the one with the chart already created. Now click directly on the chart to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles around the edges and chart-specific options appear. Look toward the top right corner of the chart area. You should see a small green plus sign called Chart Elements. Click or hover over that button. In the menu that appears, find Legend and check the box. The legend immediately appears on your chart using a default position. If you want more control over where it sits, look for a small black arrow next to the legend option in that same menu. Click it and choose the placement you prefer, typically right top, left bottom, or an overlay option depending on your chart type. Pick the spot that keeps labels readable without covering important data. There's also a ribbon-based method that some people prefer. With the chart still selected, look to the top of Excel for the Chart Design tab. If you don't see it, the chart may not be selected, so click the chart again. In the Chart Design tab, click Add Chart Element. From the drop-down list, point to Legend, then choose the position you want from the menu. This does the exact same thing as the plus sign, but it can be easier if you're already working in the ribbon. A few quick tips as you place the legend. If your chart only has one data series, the legend may not add much clarity, so consider whether you need it at all. If your chart feels cramped, try positioning the legend on the right or bottom to free up space. And if the legend text seems confusing, remember it pulls from your series names in the data, so clear labels there will make your legend clearer here. That's it. You've added a legend and placed it exactly where you want it in Excel using either the Chart Elements button or the Chart Design tab.